Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing matching squares, because consistent stitch counts make joining neat and flat. Once done, align squares with right sides together or decide on a visible flat join. This sets the final look. Make sure you leave a 6-tail for your joining method and hold edges without stretching. You'll want a blunt needle or crochet hook ready. These simple choices prevent puckering and keep corners square, so start joining while edges are controlled and aligned. You now pick a join. Slip stitch gives a tidy, raised ridge, while whip stitch produces a flatter, almost invisible seam. Begin at a corner. Insert hook or needle through matching stitch spaces, pull yarn through, and work evenly. Count stitches to keep tension consistent. Once you establish rhythm, work one edge at a steady pace, check alignment frequently, and adjust tension if rows ripple. Make sure to join in the same direction on each seam, so edges remain uniform and predictable. You're ready for final steps. Fasten off with a secure knot, then weave the yarn tails into the seam with a tapestry needle using duplicate stitch paths to hide ends. Once all squares are joined, block the whole piece to relax yarn and square edges. This evens seams and flattens joins. If you see puckering, undo a short section and rejoin with slightly looser tension, or switch to a different join style. This small fix usually restores a smooth, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.